Hello, my name is Esmeralda and I am part of Team Mackie, MAKIE, and we were in charge of scanning and creating a 3D model of Seagull Hall. In order to create that 3D model, we did have to create individual floor plans of each floor, and in order to get into those floor plans, we had to update the cloud points of each of those floors, which were scanned, which you can slightly see in the background, but I'm going to go ahead and show a 3D model, which will show those afterwards. These floor plans served as a really good base of creating the walls and the doors and any openings on the floors. In order to create those walls, you can go ahead and start with the wall button below architecture, and blue guidelines will come up, which are really helpful in just aligning any walls that have already been created, and making sure that each of these points connect with each other. Just want to make sure they're all connected. And then every time you're going to make a new one, just make sure that you exit out from any previous walls created. Just going to create the center wall right here, using, once again, those blue guidelines. And then once you have all those walls created, you can go ahead and click on this little house at the top, which is going to show you a 3D model view. And you can see the walls that we just created for those two classrooms. And once you have those walls created, you want to go ahead and go back to your floor plan and create a floor, which you also do under the architecture. You'll go ahead and click on floor, and you'll click on those 4 walls surrounding the 2 classrooms. And then once you have those, you can click on the green check mark, and it's going to have a floor created. Once again, you go on that little house button, which we already have open, and you can see how at the bottom we have a floor. Following along with now having our walls and our floors, you are also going to be able to add on any doors that are created around your cloud points that have been uploaded. And that is also another simple feature, which is in architecture. Go ahead and click on doors. All of the information here will stay the same, but you do have the ability of changing the doors depending on the height of the doors. You can change them if they have any different wood materials, or if they happen to be double doors, which you could see some of them here. But you can go ahead and start with any simple single door, place it at the right dimensions, and you're also able to change the orientation of your doors. So you can turn it so that it's coming from whether it's the inside of the classroom or the inside of the hallway. And then you can also change the orientation of the way that the door opens depending on the hinge of the door. So then you go ahead and exit out once more, going to the 3D model of the house. It's a little hard to see here, but we do have a door added, and it looks like just like all of the doors on the rest of the model. And once you have that, you'll go ahead and you'll have your floor plan, which is a lot nicer to see here. But these are the individual floors. And then once you have all of your floor plans, then you can move forward to your 3D model, which we have another tutorial made by another teammate, which can help you create your 3D model on Revit. Thank you.